everyone, welcome to Kia's Fusion Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make orange chicken. This is a sweet and spicy chicken recipe made with boneless chicken that's deep fried until golden and crisp and then mixed in sweet and spicy orange sauce made with fresh orange juice. It goes very well with fried rice and is also very simple to make. So let's get started. First, let's mix the ingredients for the orange sauce. In a bowl, add the orange juice, sugar, chili flakes, vinegar, soya sauce, corn flour, chicken stock, and chili sauce. Mix it well. Also add some water and mix well. And set this aside. Now let's prepare the chicken to deep fry. In a plate or bowl, mix the corn flour, all-purpose flour, salt and pepper. Set this aside. Now to the chicken, add the egg and mix until the chicken is well coated with the egg. Now take each piece of egg coated chicken, dredge it in flour and set it aside. Our chicken is ready. Now let's deep fry it. Heat oil in a wok. When nice and hot, drop in the chicken pieces in batches and fry until golden brown and crisp. When they are done, drain them and set them aside. Now the final bit. In a pan, heat a little bit of oil and add the ginger garlic paste and saute for a few seconds. Now add the orange juice mixture and cook it on low to medium heat until it's thickened. Taste and adjust the salt and add the fried chicken and toss until the chicken is nicely coated with the sauce. Garnish with sesame seeds and spring onion greens. Our delicious orange chicken is ready. Do give this a try and let me know how it goes for you in the comment section below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching.